Today, we will leverage WebDev and Zerotier to achieve seamless two-way file synchronization between ZimaOS and QTS. Today's tutorial is briefly summarized as here. Let's get started. Install the WebDev app on ZimaOS. Navigate to the WebDev settings panel. Okay, don't panic and believe me, this panel is very easy to understand because you only need to understand 3 of the parameters. The default username and password for this app are both CastOS, and click this button to select the directories you wish to sync. On how to understand the application path, see the document below the video. Here, you will also see a port number. Remember this port number on the left. Here at QNAP, you need to follow the official Zerotier documentation to make QTS join the ZimaOS Zerotier network. In short, the network ID of ZimaOS needs to be passed to the QTS. In the ZimaOS setting panel, turn on remote access and click on the network ID to copy it. Open QTS COI. You can connect to ZimaOS with the help of this ID. I will post the Zerotier documentation below this video. Open the HBS 3 application. If you haven't installed it yet, you can search and install it in the App Center. After opening HBS, click Sync and choose to create a two-way sync. Scroll to choose WebDev. Add a new account and input the correct account password and a proper name. So, what is the address here? Click on ZimaOS settings and select the network. You can find the Zerotier address of ZimaOS in the Virtual Network section. In HBS, fill in the Zerotier address of ZimaOS with http:// and a column and the port number. To add a paired folder, select the directory you want to synchronize or create a new directory. Also, set up the remote folder. Then complete the remaining settings. Now, when you add, delete, or modify files on either side, you can get synchronization on the other side. These are all automatic. Try it now. Subscribe for more about Zima.